We got the SPOs up right around 84 handles here currently. That's the E-mini S&P is up right around 84. That's going to bring your spiders up here too, right around this 597. I don't know if it's good news, but it's news that the market likes. So we have to kind of take that into consideration. But we did just have the courts kind of say, hey, they're going to block Trump's Liberation Day with the tariff. So that's why you have this big pump here. After market, we thought Nvidia might push this higher. It did a little bit with a little pop in here. But obviously, this is the bigger news in here for the overall market. Now, if we go back out to the daily chart in here, you can see where we ended up on the day. We closed the day at 587.73, down around 342 from yesterday's trading session. So we're kind of trading in between this weird, it's basically 597, 598, and this 577. So it's like about a $20 channel in here. And they're trying to find some footing in here. The 9-day EMA is pretty close to this 200 SMA in here. So really your big support's going to be down here where this 200 SMA is and that 577 mark. But it looks like we're gapping up tomorrow and gapping up pretty bigly. So what are we looking at for the resistance? Well, those 597s and that 598, that is going to be a key resistance for us. It's basically about a dollar channel we're going to be trading in there. If we can breach that, then we're going to be trading in a $10 channel here to the 607 and 608. So really 597 to about 608, that's where you're looking at for a resistance. And if we scroll all the way back into January of this year, you see we had a couple weeks in here that we traded at. If we go to the daily chart in here, you can kind of see how that was a better area for us. So right here, January going into February, that whole channel, that $10 wide channel, $10, $11 wide channel was a place for us to kind of consolidate. So if we do get a push and a hold and a breach of that 598, then we're going to be sitting up here and then probably bouncing in between that $10 channel for a while just to get everything kind of reset again. Your RSI, you don't really have to worry about on the daily. The weekly, you don't have to worry about that much. Obviously, with everything gapping up tomorrow, we're going to see what that brings and how much higher that does push us. Now, if we go to our IV rank in here to kind of see where everything is priced in at the close today, everybody had right around an $8 expected move. I'm sorry. Everybody had right around it. Yeah, $8 expected move by tomorrow's trading session, $9 by the following. And if you go all the way out to next Friday, it looks like everybody's pricing in right around a $12 move expected in here. So obviously we just hit that expected move in aftermarket here. So we're going to see how much that changes tomorrow with your options volatility. So kind of keep that in mind. Volatility is going to shrink because we had that big gap up and we already hit that expected move. So we're going to see what happens for our volatility and the overall options premium tomorrow. So again, what we're looking at 597, 598 for our first resistance. Above that, it's going to be a $10 channel. We're going to trade in up to the 607, 608 mark. Support wise, you got the 9-day EMA in here on the daily, which might help you 585. But really, we care more about this 200 SMA in here and that 577 range for our major supports. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.